Hi everyone, today we'll be explaining our new user interface. Using this interface, anyone can create their own ChatGPT chatbot, and here are the steps as follows. So we have already created a bot, and I'll demo the same for everyone to understand step-by-step process. So this is the bot which we have created, and after you create a bot, you can go to the setup option. Now go to the ChatGPT integration icon. Now, as you can see, you have to integrate your API key to this tool. Now, what you can do is, now how to get access to this ChatGPT tool is, you have to create a business account on ChatGPT. Using the same, you can purchase ChatGPT credits, and you can help yourself by generating an API key as well. And now, how to create your own business account and how to create your API key, those steps I'll share the link below. Now, what you need to do is, just input your API key and just enter the organization name, and you can authenticate it. As you can see, the API key has been validated and we have successfully stored the details. Now we move on to the next step, you fine tune models. So we will click on the button create new, and as you can see, there are three options here. The first is web URL, the second is file and docs, and the third option is both. So I'll explain you all the models individually. So if you want to create a fine-tuned model using your website information, you can just click on web URL and you can copy paste the website URL, and it will the model will gather all the information from the website, and the bot will be generated on the same basis. Now what you have to do is, suppose if you want to create a chatbot model only using your company documents, or any documents which you have prepared for via sales and support or FAQ, then you can use the second option, file and documents. Now the third option is both means you can use URL as well as document to create a fine-tuned model on basis of multiple data which you have gathered through sales team, customer support, as well as whatever information is there on the website. You can mix all the information and the model will be created on basis of the same. Now I'll show you the first model, how to create web URL. So I'll just name the bot. Now as you can see is there is an option called web crawling. So what this option does is, suppose if you want the model to only crawl through one of a single URL, you can just keep the toggle off. Now if you want the model to crawl through all of the pages at once, domain, subdomain, so you just keep the model on and you can paste the URL here. So the option which I'll show you is keeping the toggle off just with one of the URLs. So now you have to select the model on which you want the bot to be trained. So there are three options. One is GPT 3.5, GPT-4, the last one is GPT-4o. So here we will be choosing the model GPT-4o because it is much efficient and cost saving as well. Now what is bot instructions? What happens here is, now how do you want the bot to behave? Suppose if you want the bot to behave like a customer support bot, or if you want the bot to behave like a sales representative bot, or if you want the bot to be behaving like a marketing assistant, explaining the whole feature and everything. So on basis of that, you can share the instructions. So now what I'll do is, I'll just paste the URL here. Now what is temperature? Temperature is defined as, suppose now you want for a same question, if you want the bot to give multiple unique answers, this temperature option will help you. So as if you keep the temperature to around a half, 0.5, For the same question, like suppose if you are asking how can I build my e-commerce store through SmartBot, you will have multiple option on basis of technicality, specifics and everything. Now if you don't want the bot to give unique answers, just a single answer for a similar same question, you can just keep it to 0. Now just submit it. And the model sometimes may say take some time to get published. So here the status currently showing published, but one suppose if the model is under training, it will show under training, and as soon as it's published, the status will change here. Now I'll show you the second option, which is file and docs. Now you can upload the document in multiple formats, which is you can use a Word file, you can use a notepad file, you can also use a PDF. I'll choose the option of mod photo. Just submit it. So as you can see, the model is published now. Now what you have to do is just go to view setup, and here what you can do is just go to flow setup, and you have to choose this option AI answering, and go to edit, and you have to choose the option GPT here, and select any one of the model which you have created. So I'll choose the PDF model. So now we will show you the preview how the bot works. So as you can see, this is the answer which has been provided by the chatbot. Now my question was how can the e-commerce chatbot be helpful for my business? So these are the pointers which the chatbot has listed for me. Now if you want the bot to give more concise answers or more short answer, the bot can be trained to do the same as well. In case you have any questions regarding the chatbot implementation or integration, you can write a mail to us at info@smartbot.com or sales@smartbot.com. Thank you.